Choosing what to study and where to study is a big decision. Coming to an open day is one of the best ways to find if it's the right fit for you.
Good morning, how are we?
There's so much to see and consider and get excited about when you come to visit our Trefforest campus. Here are a few tips to think about when you arrive. Plan ahead, there's a lot happening. Subject sessions, tours, talks, check your programme in advance and pick what really matters to you. Get in on the action. Take part in as many activities as possible. It's the best way to get a feel for your future and to see our facilities come to life. Ask questions. We're a friendly bunch. Speak to our lecturers or chat to our students and they will tell you what life is like here. You'll also find plenty of helpful advice and guidance around campus, from admissions to scholarships and bursaries. Just look out for our information stands and speak directly to our student support services. It really helps to come prepared, so have a few questions in mind. Explore. While you're here, take a campus tour, check out our Students' Union and really get a feel for student life. We've got loads of clubs, societies and sport teams here, so there really is something for everyone. If you're looking for a home away from home, make sure you check out our accommodation too. Capture your experience, take photos, make notes, record highlights. All of these can really help you decide where to study and will really make a difference in where you're going to thrive. Now that you've got the tips and you know what to expect, you're all set to make the most of your visit. We cannot wait to see you at our Trefforest Open Day.